This video will explain what you need to do when attending a local testing site. If you develop coronavirus symptoms, you and everyone in your household need to self-isolate. The only time you should leave your home during your isolation is to get a test. We are now supporting communities with local testing sites that you don't need to drive to. However, there are important things you must do in order to attend your local site safely, both for you and for others. Here is how it works. Step 1. Before you leave home, check the appointment time and instructions in your confirmation message. Make sure you plan the quickest and easiest route. It is really important that you don't use a taxi or public transport. Walking or cycling is recommended. Next, you must put on a face covering. You will need to wear the covering at all times when you are outside your home, apart from the moment you take your test at the site. Check you have your confirmation message or QR code and a form of ID. Finally, wash your hands thoroughly before leaving for the test. Please ensure any pets remain at home as they won't be allowed on site. Step 2. Arriving at the test site. Travel straight to the testing site without stopping anywhere else and maintain social distancing. Avoid touching surfaces on the way. Once you arrive, you may need to wait in line. Remember, it's important to maintain 2-meter distancing while on site. You will be asked to sanitize your hands on arrival. Show your confirmation message or your QR code if you booked online, and a form of ID when requested. There may be a bag check while you queue. Step 3. Check-in and collection. When you enter the testing tent, your confirmation message or QR code will be checked for a second time. You will be issued with a test kit and will be asked to not seal your biohazard bag until the end. A member of staff will then direct you to a test booth. Step 4. Taking your test. Once you've sat down in your allocated booth, open the kit and read the instructions. Check all kit items are present. Please notify a member of staff if anything is missing. Remove your face covering and take the test. Follow all instructions and label the items as directed. Dispose of all rubbish within the booth. Step 5. Dropping off your test. Pop your face covering back on and then indicate to a staff member that you have completed your test. The biohazard bag should remain unsealed at this point. You will then be directed to the test drop-off, where your test kit will be checked, your QR code and test kit barcode will be scanned, and the biohazard bag sealed. Step 6. Leaving the site. You must make sure your face remains covered and that you have sanitized your hands again before you leave. Finally, use the dedicated exit and head straight home without stopping anywhere else, maintaining social distancing. Your test results will be sent to you within 72 hours of taking the test. If it's longer than this, please contact the call centre on the number provided in your confirmation message. Thank you for protecting yourself and others while getting tested.